Customer Service Workshop. Best watched in full screen. Online, on demand, self-paced, or instructor-led. Online soft skills powerhouse.
Each and every one of us serves customers, whether we realize it or not. Maybe you're on the front lines of a company, serving the people who buy your products. Perhaps you're an accountant, serving the employees by producing their paychecks and keeping the company running. Or maybe you're a company owner, serving your staff and your customers. The Customer Service Workshop will look at all types of customers and how we can serve them better and improve ourselves in the process. Your participants will be provided a strong skill set including in-person and over-the-phone techniques, dealing with difficult customers and generating return business.
Workshop objectives. State what customer service means in relation to all your customers, both internal and external. Recognize how your attitude affects service. Identify your customers' needs. Use outstanding customer service to generate return business. Build goodwill through in-person customer service. Provide outstanding customer service over the phone. Connect with customers through online tools. Deal with difficult customers. You will receive with each course. Student Manual PDF download. Real-life examples and takeaways. Video. Audio. Case studies. Quizzes. Activities. Certificate of completion. Unlimited access and retakes. Completion time is approximately 6 hours.